Hey Andrew, how you doing? All right. There's something I read through this once, but I thought I wanted to address something with something full colorful. It's back onto a ton of time and it came from the background behind the umbrellas. Then I had add the hot color balance, the hot shade, the sand. Good job describing your workflow. Yes, absolutely. And this is all required for the changes that you have described. Only thing that will last, I want to provide the reader with a simple but captivating message with the track. All right, good job. Let's go ahead and jump over to the ad here. Now, a couple of recommendations here, and I'm going to reduce the size of this so it fits in the window. But the first thing I would recommend is this: is you don't want. I mean, you know what? This is a JPEG, isn't it? All right, that's the best I could do here. I think that there we go. All right. So okay, so we need to check our requirements for a type. Okay, for the type requirements are Arial bold for the headline, Arial bold italic for the subhead, and then regular Arial. Right now you've got looks like an Arial bold, a regular Arial, and then some Arial semi-bold or something here. So remember, and you can check those type requirements in the style guide. So you definitely want to adhere to those required those required typefaces. Right now, this is really difficult to understand. Experience, relaxation, and rejuvenation like never before. It's you're trying to form one continuous thought, but you're using three different type treatments to do so. Therefore, visually, this indicates three different thoughts, but you're presumably trying to set one thought, experience relaxation and rejuvenation like never before. But what ends up happening with the type treatment is we read it like this: experience, relaxation and rejuvenation like never before. So it's not a continuous thought. My recommendation would be this. I would say reduce the size, set an Arial bold, experience relaxation and rejuvenation. That's the headline, okay? And then subhead Arial bold italic like never before, or only at Amethyst Bay or something like that, okay? So one line for the headline, one line for the subhead. Arial bold for the headline, Arial bold italic for the subhead. Body copy looks great. Nice job there. And then over here, my only recommendation here is this. I'm going to do a system zoom. You won't see this, but yeah, there's still some elements in the background, okay, of the masked image. Now, I'm guessing this is the masked image, right? But if you look right through here, we can see parts of the original background. That little fence right down there, which would actually be sand if this was the actual background. So all of that has to get masked out to reveal the background of the actual image itself. Okay. Other than that, I think we're looking really fantastic. So just a couple of typographic issues and then fix up the masking. Oh, and by the way, you don't, well, I don't want to say you can't use a white border for your magazine ad, but I do want to say that I'm not sure if it's intentional here. All right. So my point is this is most students are bleeding the ad. Full bleed on the ad, meaning that the ink runs to the edge of the page on all four sides of the ad. So what you'll need to do is set up your bleed guides and extend your background images to meet those bleed guides. Then when you set it out, save it out, it's going to show that the image goes right to the edge of the page as opposed to having this white border. So again, I'm not real sure what your intent is there, but if your intent is to have the white border, it's not even, okay? The top is wider than the bottom, the right is wider than the left, okay? So you want to make sure that's consistent, all right? All right, nice start, really nice start. If you have any questions at all, any comments, or if I can provide any clarifications, please let me know. I'll be glad to do so, but very nice work. All right, thank you.